Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create an anchor link in your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an anchor link in your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and your website gets popular, sometimes people are going to pay you to put an anchor link onto your Weebly website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Weebly editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly account, and this is the editor. So first off, you're going to click up here on the top left and choose the page you're going to add the anchor text to. So I'm going to go ahead and add it on this one. This is a cool page. Actually, let me choose a different page because this one doesn't have anything in it. I'll choose this one, cool cars. Okay, so once you've chosen the page, you're going to scroll down to where you want to add the anchor text. So for example, in here, and click into the section. Okay, now we can go ahead and choose the text that we want to add an anchor text to. So let's say this one says color. So I'm going to go ahead and just highlight the word color. Once we do that, we're going to look over here on the left for content, and we're going to click on this thing that looks kind of like a chain link. Next, what you're going to do is open up this drop-down menu and click on external link. And here we can go ahead and add in the link for our anchor text. Okay, so once you've entered in the link, you can choose if you want a new tab to open when somebody clicks on that anchor text, which is what I'm going to do. And then you want to click on save. Okay, now you can see the text color kind of changes. So what that means is anybody who ends up on this particular page, if they click on this anchor text, it's going to open up a new URL that we typed into here. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add an anchor text link into your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.